Lisa and I are just walking in to go finish setting up, and as I was walking out earlier, I realized that there's literally dozens of companies here, maybe hundreds of companies here, that are setting up a full shop in 3 or 4 days. So check this out. This is just one little portion of the show, and so like these guys here in front of us, beam saw, CNC, foil press, point to point, all kinds of material handling and dust collection, all in one weekend that they're putting this together. And that's happening at booth after booth after booth after booth out there. Pretty crazy. Take a minute to like and subscribe, and I'm going to try to do a video every day of what's going on at the show to share with you. Come by and see us at booth U7952. We'll be here all week at the IWF show in Atlanta. We'll also have samples there for closet brackets from closetbracket.com, and get a demo from the Oakwood Equipment SC350. Have a good one.